How to fix Netflix account on hold. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if Netflix says that your account has been put on hold. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So in most of the cases, whenever Netflix says that your account has been put on hold, it simply means that Netflix is having issue with your payment method. It means that it is not being able to acquire balance and not being able to withdraw funds from your account in order to renew your Netflix membership. So what I would recommend you to do is to simply cancel a membership, or in most of the cases, just remove your payment method and re-add them to your account again, and most likely that would fix it. So in order to do that, we will just go ahead and then open up the Netflix application. Once you open up Netflix, just go ahead and log into your account. By default, when it says that your account has been put on hold, it will already take you to the payment information page. But if it doesn't, then go to the profile icon and then over here go to accounts. Once you go to account, you'll be able to see a list of all these sorts of various options. You just need to go to the option which says cancel membership. So I would recommend you to simply go ahead and then cancel the membership, as it says cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing period. So go ahead and tap on finish cancellation. If not, then after that you can also go ahead and renew it, because your account and everything is not going to be deleted itself. It's only going to cancel the membership. And what I would also recommend you to do is to just come back in and check whether or not that your payment method is actually accurate. So you could go to the billing details page, and over here you can see a list of all the sorts of various options over here. I'd recommend you to check if there has been a hold on your payment information, because most likely Netflix is not being able to renew the funds from your account. And hopefully this video gave you some answers as to why this happens and how you can fix it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.